Hi, for today's teardown, this black box, supposedly from Mirage 2000 aircraft. It was shipped on eBay, so why not? American paint called amplifier or amplifier. Yes, made in France by branded Intertechnique, but it is written fabrication made by Serelec. I did search this company name, and actually a whole bunch of companies have this name, and it does not help at all. Also, the part number here does not help. Serial number here, made in April 1980, so it is matching the Mirage 2000 program time interval, and no sheeting here. As you can see, it still have the safety wire, so I did not open it previously. I have no idea of what we will find inside. 3 connectors which are not even labeled. This one has some kind of plug, like such. Is it possible to mount this plug on the other one or not? No, it does not fit. So maybe it is for a test purpose or something. But I did try to unscrew this cover here, and it is not coming off, so maybe we have wires or resistors in here, something. So some kind of plug you will leave installed and undo when needed. So I really wonder what we have inside. Your guess? Transistors? Tubes? Probably transistors, as it is 1980, but how are they set up? Maybe we have just one circuit board like this, or maybe a stack of circuit boards like this, or something completely different. No idea. So let's undo the safety wire. Oops. Okay, actually this will be enough. I do not need to undo the other side. And undo the screws. So we have screws on the edge here and screws on the top. It is not terribly clear which one I have to undo. It is folded like this, so I guess the side ones must come off, or maybe it will pull out with stuff secured on it. So let's try this first. I will put them in a screw tray from aluminium, but my screw tray has a NATO stock number. Why not? So let's try to undo the screws. Not too tight. They are old school slotted screws, so you need to find a correct size bit, because newer screwdrivers are often too thick to correctly fit the screws, but here I found a bit which is correct, and we have nil stop nuts in here. I can feel they are not unscrewing easily. So I'm really super curious to discover with you the contents of this thing. Is it moving, this cover? It looks like it is moving. Okay. So a nice addition to my collection probably, and not too bulky, at least this one. Wow. Yes, it is moving around, so it should be good. Maybe the last one I need to undo. Let's try to pull. Tries to shake. Try to slide. Insert a tool maybe in here. Is it going off this cover? Okay, it is still quite well secured, so maybe I need also to undo the 8 more screws. Well, it is just 8 more screws, so let's undo them. This one was easy at least. On these ones we have locking washers, but not on the side ones. Okay, is it any better? Yes. And here we are. Cover, equip, handwritten with a part number and the serial number. Okay. And we have, well, I was right about one circuit board at the bottom with transistors. I did not expect those 3 toroidal transformers completely coated in goop, clear goop. Apparently the amplifying transistors are here. What do we have else? 2 bridge rectifiers, a bunch of precision resistors, 1%, wet tantalum capacitors, 68 microfarads, dead code of 78 on those bridge rectifiers, nice wrapped and tied cable harness, and it looks like the whole board would lift off like this, revealing more stuff, which is good because we love stuff. So actually it is an assembly of 2 circuit boards stacked together, and on the bottom side we have, well, a lot more components. I see an LM101AH op amp here, some transistors here, trimmers. Everything is covered with conformal coating, clear goop, and those very nice capacitors. Okay. Wow, very tiny transistor here. I'm sure you will see it. Ah, maybe like this. Wait. Yes, it is good like this. Zoom a little bit for you. So nice circuit board. Serial number right. They did right here. One more time. Beautiful capacitors here. This one is really bright orange. The green one behind is good also. VRN part, branded potentiometers here, and yes, one more time, if you watch my video about the last Collins box I received from eBay, I found Barbados made trim pots, and again Barbados. So I did not find where the factory was located in Barbados. Exactly, the building must be gone for long, but you can still find on eBay new old stock bags or boxes of resistors and trimmers made in Barbados. Okay, quite interesting. About this one, these ones are not written Barbados, but they are the same brand, so a lot more precision. Resistors here, and VRN brand stands for Veritron, something like this. Okay, I will maybe link in the video description a few eBay items of this brand made in Barbados. Okay, so conformal coating everywhere. Looks like these ones here did eat a little bit, those resistors. And the two boards are stacked like this. So usually you find this kind of EV conformal coating in jet engine electronics. So maybe it is a jet engine control box or something. Okay, and I was right about yes, this cover actually. It is just necessary to undo the side screws. It should pull out, but as it is pretty tight in here, it was not easy to proceed like such. Okay, so time to try to realign the stuff and put this back together, then put it in my inventory, wrap it in bubble wrap, and find a place where to store it. So thanks for watching, bye bye.